This video is for Nigerians. So if you are a Nigerian, come forward. There is this deodorant I buy every month, but for some time now, when I go to buy it, I notice an additional increase. It was first 100 Naira, then 200, and then 300, and now 500 Naira increments. And not just the deodorant, but every other item as well. And I'm sure that if you're in Nigeria, you are also experiencing this.
The pressure is getting...
This is all thanks to the Naira devaluation. Over the past year, the Naira has depreciated by 48% from 690 Naira per dollar in September of 2022 to 1,020 Naira per dollar as at the time of recording this video. This has led to a high cost of living and significantly poor return on Naira investments. But the question is, how can you, a Nigerian, hedge against the Naira devaluation? One way you can do this is through cryptocurrencies, because within the same year that Naira dropped in value, cryptocurrencies have rewarded investors big time. For example, those who bought Bitcoin at the start of the year are now 65% in profits. Let's look at the 3 ways you can use cryptocurrencies to hedge against Naira devaluation. And one is cryptocurrency trading. Trading is simply buying cryptocurrency at a low price and selling them at a higher price to make profits. There are different ways to achieve this, like spot trading, futures trading, options, and derivative, and the rest of them. But the thing with trading is that it is risky. You can actually lose your money. You have to acquire trading skills to use this method, and it will cost you time, patience, practice, and consistency. But once you have learned this, it is very profitable. I'll tell you the easiest way to go about crypto trading towards the end of the video. The second one is holding crypto. Here, we are looking at long-term investments. It's simply you buy a coin that you are bullish on and hold it for a long time without selling. Then after many months of holding, when crypto must have appreciated highly in value, you sell it and bag your profit. It is a stress-free method, but it also comes with risk because the coin you bought into might crash. So you also need a skill here, and the skill you need is ability to select the right crypto to invest in, ability to keep the crypto safe, and ability to know when to sell the coin. I use this method a lot for my long-term investments. I DCA through the consolidation season and sell during the bull season. In DCA, you buy a bit of the asset periodically for months and sell when the asset skyrockets. I made a video on how I did this with Bitcoin, netting a profit of 14 million Naira from just 20,000 Naira monthly. I will leave a link to that video in the description. Let's look at the third method to hedge against Naira devaluation, DeFi. Now, one aspect of DeFi rewards you in crypto for saving your money in crypto. Think of it as a regular bank where you open a savings account and earn interest for putting your money there. Only that in DeFi, the interest rates are higher. While a high interest rate saving account offers an average of 3% APY, you can earn up to 8% APY and more in DeFi savings. Also, the platform here are also decentralized, unlike traditional banks which are controlled by the government. So saving in DeFi is a double better option than saving in Naira because first, you will convert your Naira to USDT, which is a crypto form of dollars, which is already a hedge against the downfall of the Naira on its own. Then you put that USDT to work to earn you an interest. But there is a caveat here. Investing in crypto has its own risk. You should be aware of this. Why it may be an alternative option to Naira investment, because the returns are higher and happen faster. Crypto is very volatile. In other words, as quickly as crypto rises in value, it can also drop quickly and you may lose money. That is why you need the education to know how to properly do it. In my crypto trading school, AFIBIE, I teach all the strategies professional traders use to know when to buy and sell their crypto for profit. for the various crypto trading types that I mentioned earlier. In AFIBIE, I have also provided a step-by-step guide to each one. I made it easy to understand, be you a newbie or a pro. Click on the link in the description to get started right away. I have provided links to other helpful resources like my crypto blog for those who love reading. There's also a link to my Telegram channel where I share my daily trading signals. Do well to maximize all the resources provided, and I'll see you there and in the next video.